Hi, I'm Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are a Max Living office in Fishers, Indiana, and we just love providing family chiropractic care. We see patients as little as newborns all the way through grandparents and everyone in between. And not only do we see patients for wellness, but as well as different health concerns. And so, especially if a patient is looking to get better for, headaches or neck pain or back pain, sciatica, or different health concerns, we provide corrective chiropractic care in that we typically start with an exam, x-rays, and then help them with tools that not only are they getting adjusted here in the office, but are able to get structural change with exercises and different home care items that can help them in getting long-term results. So then a lot of our patients choose to stay under care just to help them stay healthy and well. And another aspect of our office that we love bringing to patients is the health and wellness aspect of living. Is we recognize that we are able to help a lot of patients get to the cause of their different health concerns, but that health is so much more than just, the spine and nervous system, which is very important, and we know that as chiropractors. But what are you fueling your body with every day with nutrition, and what are you supporting it with when you're fighting a cold, and when you have different skin things going on, and just all these different aspects of health that come back around to minimizing toxins in the products that you're using and making sure you're moving. And so we love to partner with different community partners like Karen, who's our herbalist. And we just had a workshop with her that was absolutely beautiful, and so many people registered as soon as they could, because it is just a whole nother world of knowledge that when we learn more about what is in nature right around us and how we can use it day to day in our lives to help keep our homes clean, to help with our health and those around us that we love, it can really be a game changer. And not only that, but it can be a very sustainable way of growing your herbs and being able to harvest them and make them into something that's purposeful is pennies on the dollar compared to what you may spend on another type of product or something you would buy off of a shelf somewhere. So we just love partnering with Karen, and as well as other community partners. But if you haven't already, you should get connected with her as well. She is in Greenwood with Materia Medical Herbal Blending Spa, as well as you can just connect with her on social media and find your way to her products as well.